Thanks for watching this video. Myself, Anand. Today topic is all about anti joins in SQL. So, like I've already covered some important joins in SQL in previous videos. If you don't watch that video, so I'll attach that video in the I button. So at the top also you can able to see links. So you can direct there and you can watch that videos. And after that, if you're watching this video, so you'll have some clear understanding like how to use joins and how to get used of anti-joins as well. So, okay, anti-joins, anti-joins is all about same joins what we used in left join, right join, inner join, full outer join. So, just the same joins concept we'll be using here, but anti-join is all about the areas which are common in both tables will be neglected. As a whole, if we are using a left join, just a moment. Okay. Left and teacher. So before using the tables, so we are going to use the customers and orders table. The same example, like what we used in previous videos. The same example tables we're using here. So before using the table, we have to connect the DB. It's successfully connected now. So now what we have to do here is, so we'll see the table first. So these are the tables we're going to use for this, this join. The same part is what we did in live join. So let's try showing this. Live join orders. So self information, alias name and learning IDs. C.id. So I'm using ID here. So this is a primary key of this table. So this is a foreign key, but the primary key which is present in this table will be followed as a foreign key in the order string. Okay, so we need to use this ID and this ID as well. So combining these tables using this ID. This is how joins works. So now if I'm using the table, so this is how left outer join works. So this is the common entries from both the tables. So this will be shown as well as the entries which are not which are not present in the tables also will be shown. So left anti-join is about we have to show this alone. For example, so we have two circles here. So it's going to be first. See, so this is a left join. We're able to see the table of all the entries in the left side table, as well as the common entries as well from the other table as well. But if you're going with the left anti-join, the common entries from both the tables will be shown. So it will be excluded. So we'll be seeing the entries in the left table alone, which is not present in the other tables. Okay. So this is how this left anti-join works. So we have multiple ways to remove these entries, common entries. So when you go with the simple steps here, here listen. So only these entries will be shown. So this is how the left after join will be used. Sorry, left anti join will be used. So likewise, we'll be using the left, sorry, right anti join, uh, full anti join, and inner anti join. So you see the statements as well. Select staff in this. Okay, so we'll use the same select statements. So maybe we'll remove the, sorry, we'll replace with the right join. Okay, so okay, so we'll replace this thing. So because we don't have any entries here. Sorry. So now what we have to do is this one. See, so what we have to do is okay, just I showed see. So this is the table of customers and this is the table of orders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6 is there. So this is a common thing for both tables. But 4, 5 is not present. Okay, in this engine. Likewise, 6 is not present. This is the thing. So this is how what we'll be doing here is 6 alone is not present. Okay, so that will be allowed. It's the thing. So while using the real case scenarios, what we'll do, so we'll be selecting the column names alone. So not like we'll be showing the same entire table we'll be showing here. So simply we'll mention order ID, customer ID, order date, sales alone in the select statement, and then I will give the condition where customer ID is null. Okay, so the output will be shown in this way. We're using the real world scenarios. So this is how we'll be using the real world scenarios when using the anti joins. Okay, so now we'll use full anti join. Collect staff, outdoor join, and with alias name. Because alias name is the important one for using joins. So sometimes we'll have same names, table names. At that time, if you're using alias name, so it will be easy to show the differentiation. Or c.id equal to okay. So here we have a right anti-join, right? So this is left anti-join. What we do here is we'll be simply combining these things. So in this case, we can able to see the full anti-join. Again, for anti-join, what we'll do, so we'll be using the nulls alone. So what are the nulls we are showing? The left table, with the left table, we're comparing with the right table, as well as we're comparing right table with the left table. So so this is how full anti-join works. Okay, so the common entries will be removed. Sorry, removed. So the left join, what we left anti-join, what we did here is so we have removed the common entries and just the left table entries alone will be shown. For the right anti-join, what we did, so common entries we left and then we remove and then only the right entries alone will show. So in the full out again, what we do, so only we remove the common entries. So in this case, if you are taking the left anti-join and right anti-join and combining the output of it, so we'll get the full anti-join. Okay, I hope you'll be okay with it. So instead of going with this one, we'll simply use the same statements. For connecting two statements, two tables, whatever it is, so we'll be using union. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So this is how full anti-join works. So full outer anti-join, you can use it whatever ways. But simple, like full outer and a full join, both are same. So likewise, we'll be using full anti-join. So this is how left anti-join, right anti-join, full anti-join works. So next, we have inner. I hope like for the inner join, so it is not like it is not widely used. It's just a concept oriented. Like else in the next video, I'll come up with a example which is used for inner anti-join, but it is not mandatory. Like people are not using a broader perspective for using inner anti-join. So only with the left anti-join, left and right, and full. These are the anti-joins we are using majorly. So get used to it. Try to do practice more. So with the real world scenarios, or else you can download tables from Kaggle, and then using that table, you can able to go with the anti-joins concept in those tables. It is not mandatory. You have to use only two tables alone. So you can use multiple tables and you can perform all the joins. So this is how anti-join works. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it is helpful for you people. So if you have any doubts, you can drop down you can mention in the comment section. So in the next video, I can able to clarify those doubts. Thank you. Bye.